Good morning, team. Justin here. Hope you're having a really good day today. If you've been waiting for it, news is out. The second quarter rotating categories on the Freedom Flex card have been announced. And those rotating categories happen to be Amazon.com and Lowe's. If you're not too familiar with the Freedom Flex, it's a cashback credit card that's kind of an entry-level card that people get, and it offers 5% cash back on rotating categories. And every quarter, these new categories are announced. This card's used in the credit card game to earn more Chase Ultimate Reward points. But even though it is advertised as a cash back card, you can take those points earned from the Flex and transfer them out to a more premium card like the Chase Sapphire Preferred or Chase Sapphire Reserve, essentially turning them into Chase Ultimate Reward points. And being able to earn 5x on these rotating categories is a good way to boost up your stash of points for airline tickets and hotel stays. These rotating categories, there's usually 2 or 3 different things that you can earn elevated points on. And it's usually one of them is a big category like grocery stores, gas stations, something like that. And then there'll be maybe 1 or 2 other kind of smaller spending categories. So right now, the big spending category is Amazon.com. And it's really easy to maximize all those points because we do have an upper spending limit of $1,500 on this category per quarter. So once you spend more than $1,500 on the Flex card, it's going to drop down to 1 point per dollar spent. And it's pretty easy to see how you could spend $1,500 on Amazon in 3 months. Then the second category is also pretty useful, but it may not be as useful for everybody, and that's Lowe's home improvement stores. Home improvement stores are a common category on the Freedom Flex. And I did make a video last year trying to predict all the different rotating categories that I thought there could be for this year. And I predicted for second quarter, I predicted gas stations as our big category, but I was wrong there. And instead we got Amazon.com. And as the second kind of subcategory, I predicted home improvement stores because in the past when we have had home improvement stores before, they were always in the second quarter. So I'm a little half right on that, where not home improvement stores, but we have Lowe's, which is a home improvement store. So I'm kind of half right on that one. Now this doesn't mean that you get $1,500 at Amazon and Lowe's. It is combined on both categories. So you could spend $1,000 on Amazon and then $500 at Lowe's, and that would max out your extra bonus category. If Amazon and Lowe's doesn't do it for you and you just don't ever buy anything from Amazon or Lowe's, it still has the ability to earn a few extra points because it offers 3x back on drugstores and then 3 backs on restaurants as well. So you should still be able to get a few points from this card. And then if you want it, it'll earn 5x back on travel when booked through the Chase travel portal. And then 1x on everything else, of course. It also has a good sign-up bonus. Even though the card does have a $0 annual fee, comes with a nice sign-up bonus, and it's really easy to earn too. You're going to earn $200 cash back after spending only $500 on the card. And $200 cash back, or you can consider that 20,000 Chase Ultimate Reward points if you move them over to a premium card. And then you're going to get 5x back on grocery stores as well, as part of the sign-up bonus. And the grocery store part of the sign-up bonus is valid up to your first $12,000 in spend in the first year of having the card. And that's separate, and that's completely different than the rotating categories. So that'll be an extra $600 in points, or 60,000 Chase Ultimate Reward points, on top of the $200 in cash back, or 20,000 points there, if that's what you wanted to do. That's a quick little update on the Chase Freedom Flex. What do you think of these categories? I think they're all right. Amazon's pretty good. I don't ever shop at Lowe's, but Amazon's pretty good. Still watching, really appreciate thumbs up. I really appreciate you subscribing to the channel. Then I want you to go have a good day. All right, Justin out.